everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to swap two numbers without using third variable. In previous video we saw how to swap two numbers using third variable, but today we will learn how to swap two numbers without using third variable. So before writing the code we will learn the logic. So let's go. Okay. So let's take a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20. Now a is equals to a plus b. That means a is 10 and b is 20. So 10 plus 20, which is equals to 30. So now a holds 30. Now second step is b is equals to a minus b. A is now 30 minus b is now 20. So 30 minus 20 is equals to 10. And our final step is a is equals to a minus b. Now a holds 30 and b holds 10. So we will write 30 minus 10, which is equals to 20. So see, initially the value of a was 10 and value of b was 20, but now the value of a is 20 and the value of b is 10. So now let's write the code. Okay, so all of you know that we will start our code with hash include stdio.h. So let's write hash include stdio.h. Next step is int min, then curly brace, then we will take two integer variables a and b. Now printf enter the values of a and b. Okay, now scanf %d to %d for two variables. Okay, so %d ampersand a and ampersand b. Okay, next step. Next we will display our numbers before swapping. Okay, so printf before swapping, the values are a is equals to %d and b is equals to %d, comma a comma b. Okay, so our next step is we will write our logic. So now a is equals to a plus b. Second step is b is equals to a minus b. And our third step is again a is equals to a minus b. Okay, now we will print the values of a and b after swapping. Printf after swapping, the values are a is equals to %d and b is equals to %d, comma a comma b. Okay, so now we will return 0. Okay, now we will save this file with .c extension. Okay, so let's rename it swapping 2.c. Save this file, then execute compile and run. Oh yeah, I did a mistake here. We have to, yeah. Okay, now again save it, execute, compile and run. Yeah. So enter values of A and B. So let's take 10 and 20. Before swapping, the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20, and after swapping, the value of A is 20 and the value of B is 10. So here is our output. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share it with your friends. Thank you.